Exercise 8.2. Solve first bit. First question, x dy plus y dx equals to 0. Here using the separating variables method, we are going to find out the equation related to this differential equation. So here x dy equals to minus y dx. This y dx transpose to right side, then you will get minus y dx. Next to dy, this y transpose to left side by y, dx by x, and here minus. Now integrating on both sides. So integration 1 by y dy equals to minus integration 1 by x dx. So integration of 1 by y is log y equals to minus log x. So log y equals to, here minus log x means we can consider minus 1 into log x, and we have one formula, that is m log a equals to log a to the power of m. So then log y equals to log x to the power of minus 1, then log cancel on both sides, y equals to x to the power of minus 1, and add 1, so y equals to x to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x, and x transpose to left side, so x into y equals to 1, and x into y equals to, this 1 can consider as a one constant. So C is our required answer, because when we are doing the integrating, we are taking the one constant term. Okay, so the required answer is x into y equals to C. Second question, x cube dy plus y cube dx equals to 0. Here x cube dy equals to minus y cube dx. So dy, this y cube transpose to left side by y cube, minus dx x cube transpose to right side by x cube. Now integrating on both sides. So before that, here 1 by y cube can write as a y to the power of minus 3 dy, here minus x to the power of minus 3 dx. Now do integration on both sides. So here minus integration of x to the power of minus 3 dx. Here the suitable formula, integration of x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So then y to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 equals to minus x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. So y to the power of minus 2 by minus 2 minus x to the power of minus 2 by minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 by y square. Next to minus of minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square. So here minus 1 by 2 cancel. So then 1 by y square equals to minus 1 by x square. So x square transpose to left side, x square by y square equals to minus 1. So otherwise we can write like this, this negative term transpose left side, 1 by y square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. So the final answer is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square. Here 0 is a constant, we can consider as a C. So this is our required answer. Next to B question, x to the power of 4 dy plus y to the power of 4 dx equals to 0. X to the power of 4 dy equals to minus y to the power of 4 dx. Next to dy by y to the power of 4 minus dx by x to the power of 4. So y to the power of minus 4 into dy minus x to the power of minus 4 into dx. Now do integration on both sides. Here minus x to the power of minus 4 dx. So then here minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 minus x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 and add one constant c. Next y to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 minus x to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Here minus minus cancel. Minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y cube. Here also 1 by 3 into 1 by x cube plus c. So here we can cancel the 3 on both sides. So minus 1 by y cube equals to 1 by x cube plus c. Next 0 equals to 1 by x cube plus 1 by y cube plus c. Otherwise this plus c transpose to left side. So minus c. So then the required answer is 1 by x cube plus 1 by y cube minus c can write as a c because c is a constant. So this is C question. Y square dx plus x square dy equals to 0. Y square dx, this term transpose to right side, then minus x square dy. So dx by x square minus dy by y square. So here x to the power of minus 2 dx minus y to the power of minus 2 dy. Now do integration on both sides. So minus integration of y to the power of minus 2 dy. So here x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus y to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Now x to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 minus y to the power of minus 1 by minus 1. So minus 1 by x, here minus of minus 1 by y. So minus 1 by x, minus of minus plus 1 by y. So 0 equals to 1 by y plus 1 by x. So here we can write like this: 1 by x plus 1 by y is a one constant c. Third question, 2 plus x into dy minus 3 minus y into dx equals to 0. So 2 plus x into dy, and this negative term transpose to right side, so then 3 minus y into dx. So next to dy by 3 minus y dx by 2 plus x. Now integration of 1 by 3 minus y dy equals to integration of 1 by 2 plus x dx. So 1 by minus y plus 3 dy integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx. But the formula is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx equals to log ax plus b by a. Here how to get the a? That is derivative of ax plus b. So here also log minus y plus 3 divided by derivative of minus y plus 3 is minus 1 equals to log x plus 2 divided by derivative of x plus 2 is 1. So then here minus log minus y plus 3 equals to log x plus 2. Then it is equals to log of minus y plus 3 whole power minus 1, because here the suitable formula is m into log a equals to log a to the power of m. So here minus can consider as a minus 1. So log x plus 2. Now we can cancel the log on both sides. Then minus y plus 3 whole power minus 1 equals to x plus 2. So minus y plus 3 means 1 by minus y plus 3 equals to x plus 2. So then 1 equals to x plus 2 into minus y plus 3. Here 1 can write as a 1 constant. So x plus 2 into 3 minus y, the constant I am denoting with c. So this is our required answer. Fourth question, dy by dx equals to x plus 1 into y plus 1. So here dy by dx equals to x plus 1 into y plus 1. Then dy equals to x plus 1 into y plus 1 into dx. Next to dy by y plus 1. This term transposed to left side into x plus 1 into dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. So integration of x plus 1 into dx. Here it is log of y plus 1 divided by derivative of y plus 1, that is 1. And here we can apply the integration for each term separately. So it is x square by 2 plus x, and add one constant, that is c. So log of y plus 1 equals to x square by 2 plus x plus c is our required answer. Fifth question, 1 minus x into dy minus 1 plus y into dx equals to 0. So 1 minus x into dy, and this negative term transposed to right side. So 1 plus y into dx. So dy by this 1 plus y will go to denominator place dx by 1 minus x. So dy by 1 plus y I am writing as a y plus 1, dx by minus x plus 1. Now apply the integration on both sides. So integration of 1 by minus x plus 1 dx. So here the suitable formula, integration of 1 by ax plus b dx equals to log of ax plus b by a. So then here also log of y plus 1 by, here how to get the a means here derivative of ax plus b. So derivative of y plus 1 is 1. Here also same log of minus x plus 1 divided by derivative of minus x plus 1 is minus 1. So then it is equals to log of y plus 1 equals to minus log of minus x plus 1. So log of y plus 1 log of minus x plus 1 whole power minus 1. Now log cancel, y plus 1 equals to minus x plus 1 whole power minus 1. So y plus 1 equals to minus, here power is negative, then 1 by minus x plus 1. So it is equals to y plus 1, 1 by minus x plus 1 can write as a 1 minus x. So y plus 1 into 1 minus x equals to 1. Then the answer is x minus 1 into y plus 1 equals to c is our required answer. Sixth question, 3y square dy equals to 3x cube dx. Here separating the variables is not required because they are already in the proper order. Directly do integration 3y square dy equals to integration 3x cube dx. Here 3 is a constant, so y square dy equals to 3 integration of x cube dx. So 3 into y square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 and 3 into x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So 3 into y cube by 3, 3 into x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. Here 3 cancel, y cube equals to 3x to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. Next this 4 can transpose to left side, 4y cube equals to 3x to the power of 4 plus c is our required answer. Seventh question, dy by dx equals to x square into y square. Here dy by dx equals to x square into y square. dy equals to x square into y square dx. Next y term transpose to left side, x square into dx. Here y to the power of minus 2 into dy equals to x square into dx. Now do integration on both sides. Integration of x square dx. So then here y to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So y to the power of minus 1 by minus 1, x to the power of 3 by 3 plus c. Here minus 1 can write in the numerator place, minus 1 by y equals to x cube by 3 plus c is our required answer. Second bit, first problem, dy by dx plus root 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square equals to 0. Here dy by dx, this term transposed to right side, minus under root 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equals to minus, here apply the square root for numerator and for denominator separately. Next dy, this numerator transposed to left side, so then root 1 minus y square, and this denominator transposed to right side, then it will go to numerator place 1 minus x square. Now apply the integration on both sides, dy by root 1 minus y square. Here 1 can write as a 1 square minus y square equals to minus integration dx by root 1 square minus x square. Here the suitable formula is integration 1 by integration dx by root a square minus x square equals to sine inverse x by a, sine inverse x by a plus c. So then here the answer will become sine inverse y by 1 equals to minus sine inverse x by 1 plus c. So sine inverse y plus sine inverse x equals to c. So then our required answer, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equals to c. B question, dy by dx equals to root 1 minus x square by root 1 minus y square. Here dy, this term transposed to left side, so under root 1 minus y square. Next to root 1 minus x square, this denominator transposed to right side into dx. So apply the integration 1 minus y square dy equals to integration root 1 minus x square dx. Here the suitable formula is integration root a square minus x square dx equals to, so x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. This is a formula. So as per this formula, here a square means 1 square, x square means y square. So then y by 2 under root 1 minus y square plus 1 square by 2 into sine inverse y by 1, it is equals to, here also same formula, x by 2 root 1 minus x square plus 1 square by 2 into sine inverse x by 1 plus c. So here y by 2 root 1 minus y square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse y x by 2 root 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus c. So next y by 2 root 1 minus y square, and this term transpose to left side, minus x by 2 root 1 minus x square. Next sine inverse x by 2 minus, this term transpose to right side, sine inverse y by 2 plus c. So left side and right side we can take the 1 by 2 common. So y into root 1 minus y square minus x into root 1 minus x square equals to, here 1 by 2 common, sine inverse x minus sine inverse y plus c. Here 1 by 2 cancel, and then our required answer is y into root 1 minus y square minus x into root 1 minus x square equals to sine inverse x minus sine inverse y plus c is our required answer. C question, dy by dx equals to root 1 plus y square by root 1 plus x square. So here dy by dx equals to root 1 plus y square divided by root 1 plus x square. This numerator and this denominator interchange. So dy by root 1 plus y square dx by root 1 plus x square. Now apply the integration on both sides. Dy by root 1 can write as a 1 square, integration dx by root, here also 1 square plus x square. So here the suitable formula, dx by root x square plus a square is equals to sine h inverse x by a plus c. So let us apply this formula. So then sine h inverse x, at the place of x we have a y, and at the place of a 1, equals to sine h inverse x by a plus c. So sine h inverse y equals to sine h inverse x plus c is our required answer. Second bit A question, dy by dx equals to 1 plus x square by 1 plus y square. Here dy into 1 plus y square, do cross multiplication, dx into 1 plus x square. So now apply the integration, 1 plus y square into dy, integration 1 plus x square into dx. Here apply the integration for each term separately. Here y square dy equals to integration 1 dx plus integration x square dx. So integration of 1 dy is y, and integration of y square is y cube by 3, and here x plus x cube by 3. So now take the LCM on both sides. Here 3 is a LCM, so 3y plus y cube, here 3x plus x cube by 3, 3 cancel, so then 3y plus y cube minus 3x minus x cube equals to, actually 0 will come. Now y cube minus x cube, from these two take the 3 common, then y minus x and add one constant c. So this is our required answer. Next question number B, 1 plus y square into dx plus 1 plus x square into dy equals to 0. So 1 plus y square into dx, this total term transpose to right side, then minus 1 plus x square into dy. Next to dx, this term transpose to left side, then it will go to denominator place, minus dy by 1 plus y square. Now apply the integration, dx by 1 can write as a 1 square plus x square minus integration dy by 1 square plus y square. So here the suitable formula, integration dx by x square plus a square equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a, tan inverse x by a plus c. So then here 1 by a value 1, tan inverse x value x itself, a value 1 equals to minus 1 by 1 into tan inverse y by 1 plus c. So here tan inverse x minus tan inverse y plus c. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to c is our required answer. A question, dy by dx equals to e power x plus 2y. So here a to the power of m plus n, formula is a to the power of m plus, a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So then dy by dx equals to e to the power of x into e to the power of 2y. This e to the power of 2y transpose to left side, and e to the power of x into dx. Now e to the power of minus 2y dy equals to e to the power of x dx. Now apply the integration, e to the power of 2 minus 2y dy integration e power x dx. So here the suitable formula, integration of e to the power of mx dx equals to e to the power of mx by m plus c. As per this formula, e to the power of minus 2y by minus 2 e to the power of x by 1 plus c. So here minus 1 by 2 into e to the power of 2y equals to e to the power of x plus c. Otherwise, to get the textbook answer, here minus e to the power of minus 2y by 2 equals to e to the power of x plus c, minus e to the power of minus 2y, 2 transpose to right side, e to the power of x plus c. So minus e to the power of minus 2y, 2 into e to the power of x plus 2 into c. So then 2 into e to the power of x plus 2c equals to minus e to the power of minus 2y. So then 2 into e to the power of x, this negative term transpose to left side, plus e to the power of minus 2y, and 2c transpose to right side, minus 2c. So 2 into e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus 2y, this minus 2c can write as a one constant c. So this is our required answer. B question, dy by dx equals to e to the power of 2x plus 3y. Yes, same a to the power of m plus n formula, a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So then dy by dx equals to e to the power of 2x into e to the power of 3y. Next here dy by e to the power of 3y, e to the power of 2x into dx. So e to the power of minus 3y into dy, e to the power of 2x into dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. Then e to the power of minus 3y by minus 3, e to the power of 2x by 2. So now minus e to the power of minus 3y by 3 equals to e to the power of 2x by 2. So here do cross multiplication, minus 2 into e to the power of minus 3y, 3 into e to the power of 2x. So 3 into e to the power of 2x minus 2 into e to the power of minus 3y, 3 into e to the power of 2x plus 2 into e to the power of minus 3y, and add one constant, that is c. So this is our required answer. C question, dy by dx equals to e to the power of x minus y. Here the suitable formula, a to the power of m minus n equals to a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So then dy by dx equals to e to the power of x by e to the power of y. So now do cross multiplication, e to the power of y into dy equals to e to the power of x into dx. Now apply the integration on both sides, equals to e to the power of x dx. So here its answer is e to the power of y, its answer is e to the power of x, and add one constant c. So then e to the power of y minus e to the power of x equals to c is our required answer. Third question, y into root 1 plus x square into dy plus x into root 1 plus y square into dx. So y into root 1 plus x square dy, yeah, separate the variables 1 plus y square into dx. So here y into dy by root 1 plus y square equals to x into dx, sorry here minus will come, minus x into dx by root 1 plus x square. Now apply the integration on both sides, y dy by root 1 plus y square minus integration x dx by root 1 plus x square. So here let 1 plus y square equals to t1. So then do derivative on both sides, 0 plus 2y dy equals to dt1. Then y dy equals to dt1 by 2. Next here right side, let 1 plus x square equals to t2. Then do derivative on both sides, 0 plus 2x dx equals to dt2. Then x dx equals to dt2 by 2. So substitute these values. So integration y dy is dt1 by 2 by root 1 plus y square is t equals to minus integration, here x dx means dt2 by 2 by root, here it is t1, here root t2. So here 1 by 2 is a constant, so dt, and here root t1 means actually root t1 is t1 to the power of 1 by 2, but it is in the denominator place, so t to the power of t1 to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt, and here also minus 1 by 2 integration t2 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dt2, here dt1. Okay, now here we can cancel the 1 by 2 on both sides. Here the formula is t1 to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. equals to minus, here also same, t2 to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So here t1 to the power of plus 1 by 2 by plus 1 by 2, t2 to the power of plus 1 by 2 by plus 1 by 2. Here we can cancel the both denominators. So then it is equals to t1 to the power of 1 by 2 minus t2 to the power of 1 by 2, next to t1 to the power of 1 by 2 plus t2 to the power of 1 by 2 equals to c. Here t1 means 1 plus y square, t2 means 1 plus x square equals to c. So then root 1 plus y square plus root 1 plus x square equals to c is our required answer. Fourth bit, first problem, e power x plus 1 into sin y dy plus e power x into cos y dx equals to 0. So e power x plus 1 into sin y dy equals to minus e power x into cos y into dx. So here e power x plus 1, here sin y into dy equals to, this cos y transpose to left side by cos y minus e power x by e power x plus 1 into dx. Sin by cos is tan y dy minus e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. Integration tan y dy minus integration e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Here integration of tan y is log sec y, and do one thing here, let us take this denominator as a one new variable t. Next, to do derivative on both sides, e power x plus 0, here e power x dx, and derivative of 1 is 0 equals to dt. So e power x dx equals to dt. Substitute these values. So integration, so e power x dx is dt and e power x plus 1 is a t. So now integration of tan y is log sec y minus, here integration of dt by t is log t. So log sec y, it is equals to log t to the power of minus 1. Then log cancel. Then sec y equals to t to the power of minus 1. Sec y equals to 1 by t. Sec y equals to 1 by t value is e power x plus 1. E power x plus 1. So then it is implies sec y, this denominator transpose to left side, and here sec y bracket of e power x plus 1, and add one constant c is our required answer. Second question, e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e to the power of y into sin x dy equals to 0. So e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx equals to, this term transpose to right side, minus e to the power of y into sin x dy. So here cos x dx, this sin x transpose to left side, so by sin x, next to e to the power of y by e to the power of y plus 1 into dy. So cos x by sin x is cot x dx equals to minus e to the power of y by e to the power of y plus 1 into dy. Now apply the integration on both sides. So minus integration e to the power of y by e to the power of y plus 1 into dy. So integrate here. Let's take the e to the power of y plus 1 is a one new variable. Next, to do derivative on both sides. E to the power of y dy plus 0 equals to dt. So then e to the power of y dy equals to dt. So substitute these values, two values substitute in this. So integration of cot x dx equals to minus integration dt divided by t. Now integration of cot x is log sin x equals to minus here log t. So log sin x minus log t can write as a log t to the power of minus 1. Log cancel. Then sin x equals to t to the power of minus 1. So sin x equals to t to the power of minus 1 means 1 by t. Then sin x equals to 1 by t value is e to the power of y plus 1. So then sin x into e to the power of y plus 1 equals to one constant, that is c. This is our required answer. Fifth bit first problem, xy square plus x into dx plus x square y plus y into dy equals to 0. So xy square plus x into dx minus x square y plus y into dy. From this we can take the x common, then y square plus 1 into dx. From this take the y common, x square plus 1 into dy. Next to x into dx by x square plus 1. This term will go to denominator place. Next to minus y into dy. This term will go to denominator place. So y square plus 1. Now apply the integration on both sides. X dx by x square plus 1 equals to minus integration y dy by y square plus 1. Next here left side, let's select the one new variable t1 and right side same y square plus 1 equals to t2. Now do derivative on both sides. 2x dx plus 0 equals to dt1. Then x dx equals to dt1 by 2. Next here also 2y into dy plus 0 equals to dt2. Then y dy equals to dt2 by 2. So now substitute these values. Here x dx means dt1 by 2 by t1. Next minus integration y dy means dt2 by 2 by t2. So here 1 by 2 integration dt1 by t1 minus 1 by 2 integration dt2 by t2. Here 1 by 2 cancel, and integration of 1 by t1 is log t1 minus here log t2. So log t1 equals to log t2 to the power of minus 1. So log cancel, t2 to the power of minus 1. So t1 equals to t to the power of minus 1 means 1 by t2. Now substitute the t1 and t2 values in this. t1 means it is x square plus 1 equals to 1 by t2 means y square plus 1. So it is equals to x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 equals to 1. Then x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 Here we can take one constant as a c. So this is our required answer. Second question, x into 1 minus y square into dx plus y into 1 minus x square into dy equals to 0. Here x into 1 minus y square into dx, this term transposed to right side, minus y into 1 minus x square into dy. Next to x into dx, so this term will go to denominator place, minus y into dy, this term will go to denominator place, 1 minus y square. Now apply the integration on both sides, x dx divided by 1 minus x square minus integration y dy by 1 minus y square. So here left side 1 minus x square as a t1 and right side 1 minus y square as a t2. Now do derivative on both sides. 0 minus 2x dx equals to dt1. 0 minus 2y dy equals to dt2. So here minus 2x dx equals to dt1. Here minus 2y dy equals to dt2. Then here x dx equals to dt1 by minus 2. Here y dy equals to dt2 by minus 2. So substitute these values. So integration x dx equals to dt1 by minus 2 dt1 by minus 2 by t1 integration dt2 here minus by minus 2 by t2. So here minus 1 by 2 integration dt1 by t1, here minus of minus 1 by 2 integration dt2 by t2, here minus 1 by 2 cancel, and here the integration of 1 by t1 formula is log t1, here minus log t2, so log t1 equals to log t2 to the power of minus 1, log cancel, t1 equals to t2 to the power of minus 1, then t1 equals to 1 by t2, so t1 into t2 equals to 1, t1 into t2 equals to 1 can write as a 1 constant c. Now substitute the t1 and t2 value, 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equals to c is our required answer. Sixth bit first problem, dy by dx equals to e to the power of x minus y plus x square into e to the power of minus y. So here dy by dx equals to e to the power of x minus y, means e to the power of x plus of minus y plus x square into e to the power of minus y. So dy by dx equals to, here we can apply the formula a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m into e to the power of n. So e to the power of x into e to the power of minus y plus x square into e to the power of minus y. So dy by dx equals to, here I am taking the e to the power of minus y common, so e to the power of x plus x square. So then dy, this term transposed to left side, then it will come to denominator place, e to the power of x plus x square dx. Next it is in the denominator place, but when you transposing to numerator place, it will become minus of minus y dy equals to e to the power of x plus x square into dx. So it is equals to e to the power of plus y dy e to the power of x plus x square into dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. So here e to the power of y equals to e to the power of x plus x cube by 3 plus c is our required answer. Second question, dy by dx equals to e to the power of 3x minus 2y plus x square into e to the power of minus 2y. So dy by dx equals to, same like a previous question, here e to the power of 3x plus of minus 2y plus x square into e to the power of minus 2y. Here e to the power of 3x into e to the power of minus 2y, a to the power of m plus a to the power of n formula, x square into e to the power of minus 2y. So here we can take the e to the power of minus 2y is common, e to the power of 3x plus x square is dy by dx. So next to dy by e to the power of minus 2y equals to e to the power of 3x plus x square into dx. Now e to the power of minus 2y dy equals to e to the power of x plus x square into dx. So e to the power of 2y dy equals to e to the power of x plus x square into dx. Now do the integration on both sides. So integration of e to the power of x plus, sorry, here 3x na, 3x whole dx. So then here e to the power of 2y by 2, e to the power of 3x by 3 plus x cube by 3 plus c. So it is equals to e to the power of 2y by 2, here e to the power of 3x plus x cube by 3 plus c. Here 3 will go to left side and 2 will go to right side, and it will not affect for the constant will come as it is. So this is our required answer. Third question, dy by dx equals to e to the power of y plus x square into e to the power of y. So dy by dx equals to e to the power of y is a common, then 1 plus x square will come here. Next to dy by e to the power of y equals to 1 plus x square into dx. Here e to the power of minus y into dy equals to 1 plus x square into dx. Apply the integration on both sides. Here e to the power of minus y by minus 1, and here integration of 1 dx is x plus x cube by 3 plus c. So it is equals to minus e to the power of minus y x plus x cube by 3 plus c. So now x plus x cube by 3 plus c equals to minus e to the power of minus y x plus x cube by 3 plus e to the power of minus y equals to minus c. So x plus x cube by 3 plus e to the power of minus y equals to c. So c value never be changed, it will come as it is c. So this is our required answer. Seventh question, dy by dx equals to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y into cos y. So here do cross multiplication. So sin y plus y into cos y dy equals to x into 2 log x plus 1 into dx. So now apply the integration on both sides. Integration sin y dy plus integration y into cos y dy equals to integration x into 2 log x plus 1 dx. Integration of sin y dy is minus cos y plus, here apply the u into v formula, that is integration of u into v dx equals to u into integration v dx minus integration of u dash integration v dx whole dx. So but here the two terms are there now, one is y, another one cos y. Y is a algebraic function, cos y is trigonometric function. So whether these are in the proper order as per the rule ILTE rule. Okay, so here see, A is a algebraic function, T is a trigonometric function, so they are in the proper order according to the ILATE rule. Then we can continue the answer with this formula. So here y into integration cos y dy minus integration u dash means derivative of y, so derivative of y is 1, integration v dx, so here cos y dy whole dy equals to, so here also u into v formula, but here x is a algebraic function, 2 into log x plus 1 is a logarithmic function, but in the ILATE rule, first logarithm, next algebra, so that is why here change the product, first write 2 into log x plus 1, next write x dx. Now apply the u into v formula, so here 2 into log x plus 1 integration x dx minus integration u dash means here 2 into log x plus 1 derivative, that is 2 into 1 by x plus 0 integration x dx whole dx, so minus cos y plus y into integration of cos y dy is sin y minus integration of cos y dy is sin y equals to bracket of 2 into log x plus 1, your integration of x dx is x square by 2 minus your integration of 2 by x into integration of x dx is x square by 2 dx. Here square x 2 cancel, so minus cos y plus y into sin y minus here derivative of sin y dy is, sorry, integration of sin y dy is minus cos y, so 2 into log x plus 1 into x square by 2 minus your integration of x dx, so minus cos y plus y into sin y minus of minus plus cos y, so 2 into log x plus 1 into x square by 2 minus integration of x dx is x square by 2, here minus cos y plus cos y cancel, y into sin y equals to, here x square by 2 multiply and inside 2 into log x into x square by 2 plus 1 into x square by 2 is x square by 2 minus x square by 2, here both are cancelled, so then our required answer is y into sin y equals to 2 into 2x, here 2 cancel, here 2 cancel, x square into log x and add one constant c, so this is our required answer. Eighth question, x into dy by dx plus cot y equals to 0 given that y equals to pi by 4 when x equals to root 2. So first of all, the given differential equation is x dy by dx plus cot y equals to 0. So from this x dy by dx equals to minus cot y, so dy by cot y equals to minus dx by x. Now 1 by cot y is tan y, dy equals to minus dx by x. Apply the integration on both sides. So minus integration dx by x. So integration of tan y is log sec y equals to minus log x plus c. So log sec y here plus log x. For our convenience, I am writing the c as a log c. Here log a plus log b equals to log a into b equals to log c. Then log cancel. Sec y into x equals to c. Now in the question given that y value pi by 4, then x value root 2. Let's substitute them in this and find out the c value. So sec pi by 4 into x value root 2 equals to c. Sec pi by 4 is root 2 into root 2 equals to c. Then root 2 square, that is c value how much? 2. So substitute this c value in this equation. So then sec y into x equals to 2. Then x sec y can write as a 1 by cos y into x equals to 2. Then x equals to 2 into cos y is our required answer. Ninth question, y minus x into dy by dx equals to a bracket of y square plus dy by dx. So here y minus x into dy by dx equals to, here a multiply inside ay square plus a into dy by dx. Next here y minus ay square equals to a into dy by dx plus x into dy by dx. Here we can take the y common. So 1 minus ay equals to, so here dy by dx is a common, then a plus x. So next here dx and a plus x transpose to left side. So then dx by a plus x, and here dy by y into 1 minus ay. Now apply the integration on both sides. So dx divided by a plus x equals to integration dy by y into 1 minus ay. So it is the equation number 1. So here partial fractions 1 by y into 1 minus ay equals to a divided by y plus b divided by 1 minus ay. So here 1 by y into 1 minus ay, here LCM y into 1 minus ay, a into 1 minus ay plus b into y. So here both denominators are cancelled. 1 equals to a minus capital A small a into y plus by. So 1 equals to a minus, here we can take the minus y common, then a minus b. So now comparing the coefficients on both sides, left side constant 1, right side constant a. So then a value 1, left side y coefficient is 0, right side y coefficient minus of a minus b. In this substitute the a value 1 minus 1 into a minus b. So 0 minus 1 plus b, then b equals to 1. Here minus 1 into a is a minus b, then b equals to, and here minus or minus plus, b equals to a. So substitute a and b values in this. So then 1 by y into 1 minus ay equals to a value 1, so 1 by y, and b value a by 1 minus ay. So these are partial fractions. This value substitute in the equation 1. So what is the equation 1? Integration dx by a plus x equals to integration here 1 by y plus a by 1 minus ay whole dy. So now integration of 1 by a plus x is log of a plus x, and integration of 1 by y is log y plus a into integration of 1 minus ay. See here, integration of 1 by 1 minus ay dy. So here log of a plus x equals to log y plus a into 1 by 1 minus ay can write as a minus ay plus 1 dy. So it is equals to log of a plus x equals to log y plus a into, here formula log of minus ay plus 1 divided by derivative of minus ay plus 1 is minus a, and here add one constant, that is c. Here a cancel, so then log of a plus x equals to log y plus here minus symbol is there, no? Then here minus will come in the numerator place, minus 1 minus ay plus c. So it is equals to log of a plus x, this negative term transposed to left side, 1 minus ay, and c also transposed to left side, so log y. So log of a plus x plus log of 1 minus ay, and plus c can write minus c can write as a plus log c for our convenient. So here log a plus b formula, that is log a plus x into 1 minus ay into c equals to log y. Here left side right side both log cancel, then a plus x into 1 minus ay into c equals to y is our required answer. Reducible to variables separable form, 10th bit first problem is dy by dx equals to 2x plus y plus 1 whole square. Here it is not possible to separate the variables, so that is why let's take the 2x plus y plus 1 equals to v. Now do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So 2 plus dy by dx plus 0 equals to dv by dx. It is equals to 2 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx, then dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 2. Substitute these two values in the given question. So the given question is here, so here dy by dx equals to 2x plus y plus 1 whole square. So here dy by dx equals to what? dv by dx minus 2, and this value is v, so v square. next to dv by dx equals to v square plus 2. Now separate the variables, dv by v square plus 2 and dx. Next to dv by v square, 2 can write as a root 2 whole square equals to dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. So the suitable formula is integration dx by x square plus a square equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. Then it is equals to 1 by a value root 2. So tan inverse x means v, a value is root 2 equals to, here integration of dx is x plus c. So 1 by root 2, otherwise root 2 transpose to right side. So tan inverse, here v value how much? 2x plus y plus 1 by root 2 equals to root 2 bracket of x plus c. So then tan inverse 2x plus y plus 1 by root 2 equals to root 2x plus root 2 into c can consider as a c. This is our required answer. Second question, dy by dx equals to 9x plus y plus 1 whole square. It is the same like a previous question. Let 9x plus y plus 1 equals to variable v. Next to do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So it is equals to 9 into 1 plus dy by dx plus 0 equals to dv by dx. So here 9 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So then dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 9. Now substitute these two values in the given question. So then here dy by dx will become dv by dx minus 9, and here this value is v square. So dv by dx equals to v square plus 9. Then dv by v square plus 9 equals to dx. Now dv by v square plus 9 can write as a 3 square equals to dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. Then the suitable formula is integration dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. Let's use this formula now. So then it is equals to 1 by, here a value 3, tan inverse x by a, here x value v and a value 3 equals to, here integration of dx is x and add one constant c. So tan inverse v by 3 equals to 3 bracket of x plus c. So tan inverse v by 3, 3x plus 3c. Now substitute the v value. So the v value is 9x plus y plus 1 divided by 3 equals to 3x, and 3c can write as a c. This is our required answer. Here the first question, 11th bit, dy by dx equals to sin x plus y. Let's take the x plus y equals to v and do derivative on both sides equals to dv by dx. So here 1 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. Then dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 1. Substitute these two values in the given question. Here dy by dx means dv by dx minus 1. So it is equals to dy by dx means dv by dx minus 1 equals to sin v. So dv by dx equals to sin v plus 1. Now separate the variables. Dv by sine v plus 1 equals to dx. Now dv by sine v can write as a, so actually sine 2 theta formula 2 sine theta into cos theta. From this sine theta formula 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So then we can write sine v as a 2 sine v by 2 into cos v by 2. So otherwise let us do in another way, easy method. So here 1 plus sine v is in, so here multiply and divide with 1 minus sine v equals to dx. So 1 minus sine v into dv by here a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square equals to dx. So it is equals to 1 minus sine v into dv by 1 minus sine square v formula is cos square v equals to dx. Now split into two fractions, 1 by cos square v minus sine v by cos square v dv equals to dx. 1 by cos square v is secant square v minus sine v by cos square v can write as a, so here sine v by cos v is tan v and 1 by cos v is sec v. So whole dv equals to dx. So now apply the integration on both sides. Integration of secant square v minus tan v into sec v dv equals to integration dx. So integration of secant square v is tan v and integration of tan v sec v is sec v. Integration of dx is x and add one constant. Now substitute the v value. V value is x plus y and here v value is x plus y equals to x plus c is our required answer. Second question, dy by dx equals to cos of x plus y. So let's take the x plus y equals to v. Now do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx. So 1 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So then dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 1. Substitute these two values in the given question. So what is the question? Dy by dx equals to cos of x plus y. So dy by dx equals to what? dv by dx minus 1 equals to cos of v. So then dv by dx equals to cos v plus 1. So now separate the variables. dv by cos v plus 1 equals to dx. So dv by here actually cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta minus 1, then cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. From this cos theta plus 1 equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. So here also cos v plus 1 means 2 cos square v by 2. 2 cos square v by 2 equals to dx. So it is equals to, here 1 by 2 is a constant number, then integration here 1 by cos square v by 2 is secant square v by 2 dv integration dx. 1 by 2 into integration of secant square x is tan x. So here at the place of x we have a v by 2 divided by, here derivative of v by 2 is 1 by 2 equals to integration of dx is x plus c. Here 1 by 2 cancel, so tan v by 2 equals to x plus c. So x plus c equals to tan v by 2. X minus tan v by 2 equals to minus c. X minus tan v value is x plus y by 2 equals to minus c, can write as a plus c, is our required answer. Third question, dy by dx equals to sec x plus y. So let's take the x plus y equals to v. So then do derivative on both sides. X plus y equals to dv by dx, then 1 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx, then dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 1. Substitute these two values in the given question. So here dy by dx, given that dy by dx equals to sec x plus y. So dy by dx means dv by dx minus 1. So sec x plus y means sec v. So dv by dx equals to sec v minus 1 plus 1. So dv by dx equals to sec v means cos v plus 1. So dv by dx equals to, here LCM is cos v 1 plus cos v. Now separate the variables. Here cos v by 1 plus cos v dv equals to dx. So in the numerator add 1 and subtract 1. So 1 plus cos v dv equals to dx. Now split into two fractions. So here cos v plus 1 by 1 plus cos v one fraction, 1 by 1 plus cos v second fraction into dv equals to dx. Here both are cancelled. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos v whole dv equals to dx. So 1 minus 1 by, here 1 plus cos v. 1 plus cos v means here actually cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So then this minus 1 transpose to left side. Then 1 plus cos t will becomes 2 into cos square theta by 2. So here also same, 2 into cos square v by 2 whole dv equals to dx. 1 minus 1 by 2, here 1 by cos square v by 2 is secant square v by 2 whole dv equals to dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. So integration of 1 minus 1 by 2 into secant square v by 2 dv equals to integration dx. Here integration of 1 is v minus 1 by 2, integration of secant square x is tan x, but here v by 2 there, that is why derivative of v by 2 is 1 by 2. Here x plus c, here 1 by 2 cancel, v minus tan v by 2 equals to x plus c, but v means what actually, x plus y is a v value, so minus tan x plus y by 2 equals to x plus c. Here plus x is cancel on both sides, then y minus tan x plus y by 2 equals to c is our required answer. 12th question, dy by dx minus x into tan y minus x equals to 1. So let's substitute y minus x equals to v. Next to do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx. So here dy by dx minus 1 equals to dv by dx. From this dy by dx equals to dv by dx plus 1. Substitute these two values in the given question. So the given question is what? Dy by dx equals to minus x into tan of y minus x equals to 1. So here dy by dx means dv by dx plus 1 minus x into tan v equals to 1. Now dv by dx equals to 1. These two terms transpose to right side. So minus 1 plus x into tan v plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Dv by dx equals to x into tan v. Now separate the variables. Dv by tan v equals to x into dx. Here 1 by tan v is cot v dv equals to x dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. Here integration of cot v is log sin v and integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Now substitute the v value. So log sin v value is y minus x equals to x square by 2 plus c is our required answer. 13th question, dy by dx equals to sin square of x minus y plus 1. So let's take the x minus y plus 1 equals to v. Next to do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So equals to dv by dx. Derivative of x is 1 minus dy by dx and derivative of 1 is 0 equals to dv by dx. So here 1 minus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So 1 minus dv by dx equals to dy by dx. Substitute these two values in the given question. So what is the question actually given? That dy by dx equals to sin square of x minus y plus 1. Here dy by dx value 1 minus dv by dx. So sin square v. So now 1 minus sin square v equals to dv by dx. But 1 minus sin square v is cos square v equals to dv by dx. Now separate the variables. Dx equals to dv by cos square v. Now dx equals to 1 by cos square v is secant square v dv. Now apply the integration on both sides. Here x plus c equals to integration of secant square v is tan v. So x plus c equals to tan v value is how much? X minus y plus 1. Then it is equals to tan of x minus y plus 1 minus x equals to c. Sorry, not required this. So this is the final answer. Here we can interchange the LHS and RHS at a time. So y plus 1 equals to x plus c is our required answer. 14th bit first problem, x minus y whole square into dy by dx equals to a square. So let's take the x minus y equals to v. Next to do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx. Then here 1 minus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So 1 minus dv by dx equals to dy by dx. So substitute these two values in the given question. The question is what? X minus y whole square into dy by dx equals to a square. So then v square into dy by dx is 1 minus dv by dx equals to a square. Now 1 minus dv by dx equals to a square by v square. 1 minus a square by v square equals to dv by dx. Now LCM is v square, so v square minus a square equals to dv by dx. Now separate the variables. Dx equals to v square by v square minus a square into dv. So dx equals to, in the numerator, add a square and subtract a square, okay, by v square minus a square whole dv. Now dx equals to v square minus a square by v square minus a square plus a square by v square minus a square whole dv. Here both are cancelled. Dx equals to 1 plus a square by v square minus a square dv. Now apply the integration on both sides. Integration dx, here integration 1 dv plus a square into integration of 1 by v square minus a square into dv. So integration of dx is x plus c and integration of 1 dv is v a square into, here the formula is, so this is a formula, so let us apply this. So here left side x plus c, right side integration of 1 dv is v plus a square into integration of 1 by v square minus a square is 1 by 2a, so 2a into log of x minus a. Here at the place of x we have a v minus a by v plus a. So x plus c equals to v plus, here a square cancel, then a by 2 into log of v minus a divided by v plus a. So x plus c equals to, here actually v means what, actually we selected x minus y plus a by 2 into log of x minus y minus a by x minus y plus a. So here plus x cancel and this minus y transposed to left side, so y plus c equals to a by 2 into log of x minus y minus a by x minus y plus a is our required answer. Second question, x plus y whole square into dy by dx equals to a square. Let's select the x plus y equals to v and do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx, so 1 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So from this dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 1. So given that the question is x plus y whole square into dy by dx equals to a square. In this substitute the values, x plus y means v, so dy by dx means dv by dx minus 1 equals to a square. So dv by dx minus 1 equals to a square by v square. So dv by dx equals to a square by v square plus 1. So dv by dx equals to v square is LCM, so a square plus v square. Now separate the variables. V square by v square plus a square dv equals to dx. Now in the numerator add the a square and subtract the a square. So v square plus a square dv equals to dx. Now split into two fractions, v square by a square plus v square by a square one fraction, a square by v square plus a square second fraction, whole dv equals to dx. Here both are cancelled. 1 minus a square by v square plus a square whole dv equals to dx. Now apply the integration on both sides. So integration of 1 dv minus a square is a constant, 1 by v square plus a square dv equals to integration of dx. Here the suitable formula is integration of dx by x square plus a square equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So this is a suitable formula. So let us apply this formula. It is equals to, here integration of 1 dv is v minus a square into here 1 by a. 1 by a means tan inverse x by a. X by a means here x, at the place of x we have a v by a equals to integration of dx is x plus c. So v, here a square cancel, a into tan inverse v by a equals to x plus c, but actually v means x plus y. So x plus y minus a into tan inverse x plus y by a equals to x plus c. Here plus x cancel, y minus a into tan inverse x plus y by a equals to c. So is our required answer. 15th question, dy by dx equals to x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus y. So dy by dx equals to, split into two fraction, x plus y by x plus y, one fraction plus 1 by x plus y. So here both are cancelled. Dy by dx equals to 1 plus 1 by x plus y. So now let's take the x plus y equals to v and do derivative on both sides with respect to x, dv by dx. So here 1 plus dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So from this dy by dx equals to dv by dx minus 1. So substitute these two values. So in this, what is that? Dy by dx equals to 1 plus 1 by x plus y. So here dv by dx minus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 by v. So dv by dx equals to 1 plus 1 by v plus 1. So dv by dx equals to 2 plus 1 by v. dv by dx equals to 2v plus 1 by v. So it is equals to, now separate the variables, v by 2v plus 1 dv equals to dx. So here numerator and denominator multiply with 2. Next to numerator add 1 and subtract 1. Now split into two fractions, 2v plus 1 by 2v plus 1 minus 1 by 2v plus 1 dv equals to dx. Here both are cancelled, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2v plus 1 dv equals to dx. Now do the integration on both sides. Integration of 1 minus 1 by 2v plus 1 dv equals to integration dx. So then 1 by 2 bracket of integration 1 dv minus integration 1 by 2v plus 1 dv equals to integration dx. So 1 by 2 bracket of here 1 dv integration is v minus here 1 by 2v plus 1 is log of 2v plus 1 whole divided by derivative of 2v plus 1 is 2 equals to integration of dx is x plus c. So 1 by 2 multiplying inside 1 by 2 into log of 2v plus 1 by 2 equals to x plus c. Here 2 cancel, sorry. So v by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into log of 2v plus 1 equals to x plus c. Now it is equals to, here take the LCM, 4 is LCM, 2v minus log of 2v plus 1 equals to x plus c. 2v minus log of 2v plus 1 equals to 4 bracket of x plus c. Now here substitute the v value. V value is what actually x plus y minus log of 2 bracket of x plus y plus 1 equals to 4x plus 4c. Now here 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y, so minus 4x, and this negative term transposed to right side, so log of 2x plus 2y plus 1 plus 4c. So here 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, so log of 2x plus 2y plus 1, 4c can write as a c. Now we can take the 2 common, y minus x equals to log of 2x plus 2y plus 1 plus c is our required answer.